Sir, we'll do it through video conference. Now I Sports and Youth Services to propose a welcome address.
Honorable Chief Minister, sir, Honorable Minister for Sports and Youth Services, respected Shri Kumar Mangalam Birla ji, respected Chief Secretary, respected DC cum ACS, esteemed and eminent sportsperson Shri Gagan Narang, other sportspersons, my colleagues, friends from the media and people watching us live. A very good evening to all of you. On behalf of the Department of Sports and Youth Services, I extend a very warm welcome to all of you to the inauguration of 3 significant sports facilities in the state. Honorable Chief Minister's vision of sports for youth and youth for future has been a constant guiding force, and development of sports infrastructure both in the capital city as well as in the districts has been our key focus area to ensure our young and budding athletes have access to sports facilities and training at all levels. The projects to be inaugurated today are multi-purpose indoor stadium in Hinjlicut, indoor hall in Chhatrapur, both of these are in Ganjam, and the shooting high performance center in Kalinga Stadium. It gives me immense pride to say that all the 3 facilities have been developed to international standards and will greatly benefit sports persons. The multi-purpose indoor stadium in Hinjlicut is spread over 1.5 acres and has a seating capacity of 300. It has 4 badminton courts, 1 basketball and 1 volleyball court each. The stadium has a synthetic arena and is centrally air conditioned with key facilities that include changing rooms with lockers for both male and female athletes, rooms for coaches, fitness rooms, table tennis, first aid, among others. Chhatrapur Stadium has been equipped with 3 wooden floored badminton courts of international standards with necessary facilities included for all athletes, table tennis room and multipurpose room and gym. The project cost for Hinjlicut Indoor Stadium is rupees 11 crore and for Chhatrapur Indoor Hall is rupees 2.61 crores. Sports and Youth Services Department and District Administration have worked together to deliver these 2 projects that would play a significant role in building athletes of repute in the coming years from the region. We are also extremely proud of our collaboration with Shri Gagan Narang and the Aditya Birla Group for joining hands with us and being part of our sporting journey. We had signed an MOU in November 2018 and today the project kicks off. The shooting high performance center at Kalinga Stadium houses a 22-lane, 10-meter range. It can train close to 60 athletes per day and is equipped to cater to athletes across different levels, from beginner to elite, with adequate weapons and consumables in stock. It is one of its kind facility in Eastern India. Training of the selected children under the Odisha Talent Adoption Program scheme at this facility will commence following the launch of the Shooting High Performance Center. The 50-meter shooting range has also been renovated as part of this project. Our high performance model has been widely appreciated and this facility is an added feather in our cap. These initiatives and collaboration will strengthen our association with different sports bodies and we can plan and aim higher for our sports persons and achieve greater sporting success. Thank you.
See a video on sports facilities created.
అవును.
Thank you. Now I would request to hand over the promotion order.
ପାଇଁ ଆଜିର ଦିନ ଏକ ଗୌରବର ଦିନ କହିଲେ ଭୁଲ ହେବନି। କାରଣ ଆମମାନଙ୍କର ପ୍ରିୟ ତଥା 4 କୋଟି ଓଡ଼ିଶାବାସୀଙ୍କୁ ନିଜ ପରିବାର ଭାବୁଥିବା ମାନ୍ୟବର ମୁଖ୍ୟମନ୍ତ୍ରୀ ଶ୍ରୀଯୁକ୍ତ ନବୀନ ବାବୁଙ୍କ ଶୁଭ ହାତରେ ଟିଭି ଓ କଲ୍ ଜରିଆରେ ଆଜି ଏହି ବିଶ୍ୱସ୍ତରୀୟ ହେବ। ଏହି ଷ୍ଟାଡିୟମ ହେବା ଦ୍ୱାରା ଖାଲି ହିଞ୍ଜିଳି କାଟ ନୁହେଁ, ଏ ଆଖପାଖ କ୍ରୀଡ଼ା ପ୍ରେମୀମାନଙ୍କୁ ଉତ୍ସାହିତ କରିବା ସଙ୍ଗେ ସଙ୍ଗେ ନୂଆ ନୂଆ କ୍ରୀଡ଼ାବିତ ସୃଷ୍ଟି କରିବାରେ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରିବା। ଭଗବାନଙ୍କ ଦୟାରୁ ଆମ ପ୍ରିୟ ମୁଖ୍ୟମନ୍ତ୍ରୀଙ୍କ ଦେହ ଆରୋଗ୍ୟ ରହୁ। ଆଉ ତାଙ୍କର ଯେଉଁ ପ୍ରୟାସ ଚାଲିଛି ଏହି ଅଞ୍ଚଳ ତଥା ଓଡ଼ିଶାକୁ ବିକାଶ କ୍ଷେତ୍ରରେ ଏକ ନମ୍ବର କରିବାରେ ତାହା ନିଶ୍ଚୟ ସଫଳ ହେବା ପାଇଁ ମୋର ମନ୍ତବ୍ୟ ଶେଷ କରୁଛି। ଜୟ ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ, ଜୟ ନବୀନ ଓଡ଼ିଶା, ବନ୍ଦେ ଉତ୍କଳ ଜନ।
धन्यवाद। ମୁଁ ଏବେ ଅନୁରୋଧ କରିବି ମାନନୀୟ ମୁଖ୍ୟମନ୍ତ୍ରୀ ଭିଡ଼ିଓ କନଫରେନ୍ସିଂ ଜରିଆରେ ଷ୍ଟାଡିୟମକୁ ଇନାଗ୍ରେଟ୍ କରିବେ। ଏବେ ଆମେ ଯିବା ଛତ୍ରପୁର। ମାନ୍ୟବର ସାଂସଦ ବାରମପୁର ସେଇଠି ଅଛନ୍ତି, ତାଙ୍କୁ ମୁଁ ଅନୁରୋଧ କରିବି।
ଓଡ଼ିଶା ଜନମାନସର ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କର ପ୍ରିୟ ଭାରତ ବର୍ଷର ନମ୍ବର 1 ମୁଖ୍ୟମନ୍ତ୍ରୀ ସମ୍ମାନୀୟ ନବୀନ ପଟ୍ଟନାୟକ ବାବୁ ଏବଂ ଆମ ଗହଣରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଆସ୍କାର ପ୍ରିୟ ସାଂସଦ ଆମ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କର ମାଉସୀ ପ୍ରମିଳା ମ୍ୟାଡ଼ାମ୍, ଆମ ଗହଣରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଛତ୍ରପୁରର ବିଧାୟକ ସମ୍ମାନୀୟ ସୁଭାଷ ବେହେରା ଏବଂ ଆମ ଗହଣରେ 5Tର ସେକ୍ରେଟାରୀ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କର ପ୍ରିୟ ସମ୍ମାନୀୟ ପାଣ୍ଡିଆନ ବାବୁ, ଗଞ୍ଜାମ କଲେକ୍ଟର ତାଙ୍କର ସମସ୍ତ ସହଯୋଗୀ, ଛତ୍ରପୁରରେ ଥିବା PD ଗଞ୍ଜାମର ପ୍ରୋଜେକ୍ଟ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟର ଏବଂ ପୂର୍ତ୍ତ ବିଭାଗର ସମସ୍ତ ଅଫିସର, ଉପସ୍ଥିତ ସମସ୍ତ ମିଡ଼ିଆ ପର୍ସନ୍ସ ବନ୍ଧୁଗଣ, ଅତି ଖୁସିର ବିଷୟ। କାରଣ ଦିନ ଥିଲା ଓଡ଼ିଶାର ପରିଚୟ ପ୍ରବାଦ ପୁରୁଷ ବିଜୁ ପଟ୍ଟନାୟକଙ୍କ ନାଁରେ ପରିଚୟ ପାଉଥିଲେ ଓଡ଼ିଆ ଲୋକ। ବାହାରକୁ ଗଲେ ଦୁଇଟା କଥା କହିଲେ ଓଡ଼ିଆ ଲୋକଙ୍କୁ ଓଡ଼ିଶା ବୋଲି ବୁଝୁଥିଲେ, ଗୋଟେ ହେଲା ପ୍ରବାଦ ପୁରୁଷ ବିଜୁ ପଟ୍ଟନାୟକ, ନଚେତ୍ ପ୍ରଭୁ ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ। କିନ୍ତୁ ଆଜି ମାନ୍ୟବର ମୁଖ୍ୟମନ୍ତ୍ରୀ ସାରା ବିଶ୍ୱରେ ଓଡ଼ିଶାକୁ ବହୁ ପରିଚୟ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି। ସେଥିମଧ୍ୟରୁ ଆଜି ଏ ସ୍ପୋର୍ଟସ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ପରିଚୟ। ବିଶ୍ୱ ଦରବାରରେ ଆମ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କର ପରିଚୟ ଆସିଯାଇଛି ହକି ଷ୍ଟାଡିୟମ, ହକି ପିଚ୍, ଯାହାକି ବିଶ୍ୱର ସବୁଠୁ ଉତ୍କୃଷ୍ଟ ଧରଣର। ତେଣୁ ଆଜି ମୁଁ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଭାବରେ ଗର୍ବିତ, କାରଣ ଗଞ୍ଜାମ ଜିଲ୍ଲାରେ ଆମର ଏଇ ଜିଲ୍ଲାରେ ଇଣ୍ଡୋର ଷ୍ଟାଡିୟମ ନଥିଲା। ଆଜି ଛତ୍ରପୁର ଏବଂ ହିଞ୍ଜିଲିରେ 2ଟି ଷ୍ଟାଡିୟମ ଉଦ୍ଘାଟନ ହେଉଛି। ବ୍ରହ୍ମପୁର ଠାରେ ଇଣ୍ଡୋର ଷ୍ଟାଡିୟମ କାମ ଚାଲିଛି ଦୁଇଟା ଏବଂ ସାରା ଓଡ଼ିଶାରେ ଏବଂ ସ୍ପେଶାଲି ଗଞ୍ଜାମ ଜିଲ୍ଲାରେ ବହୁଠାରେ ଛୋଟ ଛୋଟ ମିନି ଷ୍ଟାଡିୟମ ଏବଂ ଇଣ୍ଡୋର ଷ୍ଟାଡିୟମ କାମ ଚାଲିଛି। ତେଣୁ ଗଞ୍ଜାମନାଥ ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ ପ୍ରଭୁ ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ ଠାରେ ପ୍ରାର୍ଥନା କରୁଛୁ ଯେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦୀର୍ଘଜୀବୀ କରନ୍ତୁ, ସେ ଆହୁରି ଓଡ଼ିଶାବାସୀଙ୍କର ସେବା କରନ୍ତୁ। ଏହା ହିଁ ଆମ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କର ପ୍ରାର୍ଥନା। ପୁଣି ଥରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ବିଶେଷ ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ ଏବଂ କୃତଜ୍ଞତା ଜଣାଉଛି। ବନ୍ଦେ ଉତ୍କଳ ଜନନୀ, ନମସ୍କାର।
Dhanyavad. Now I will request the Honorable CM to inaugurate through video conference the multi-purpose indoor hall at Chhatrapati. Dhanyavad. Now we will go to Kalinga Stadium and I would request Shri Gagan Naran, Olympian, to address please.
Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Naveen Patnaik ji, Honorable Sports Minister, Shri Tushar Kanti Behera ji, Shri Kumar Mangalam Birla ji, Shri K.N. Deo ji, Secretary Sports, Shri Vishal Dev ji, Director Sports, Shri Vinil Krishna ji, Pride of Odisha and fellow athlete Tyuti Chand, and my fellow friends. It's such a privilege to be here and talking to all of you at this moment. I am extremely grateful to you all that you have laid the trust in us and given us the opportunity to take shooting sports to a new high by creating an ideal infrastructure and ecosystem. Even before the Olympic medal in 2012, I wanted to be the agent of change. I wanted the change the way people pursued shooting sports. I wanted them to have all the facilities that I did not have while I was starting out. At that exact moment, me and Pawan not only had the intent to make the change, but also had the vision. Not as clear as I have it today, I can tell you that today another goal becomes a milestone for us with the opening of the 10-meter range where the Odisha Aditya Birla Gagan Narang Shooting HPC will start its operations. It's a massive milestone for all of us. At the moment, this facility has 22 state-of-the-art training lanes. Soon, the HPC will become a 220-lane facility with all Olympic disciplines and will be a world-class training center and a competition venue. To fulfill this dream, we have conducted talent hunt at various age groups and are convinced that this state has more talent than what meets the eye. 75 kids were picked through the talent hunt program for this facility out of 2,000. They will now undergo different stages of training before they reach the state, nationals, and eventually the international level. We hope to follow the Gun for Glory curriculum, which has yielded great success and trains the athlete from basics to becoming world beaters. Perhaps the best thing about this range is going to be its accessibility for the specially abled athletes. Access has been made easy for them and a special training program has been designed. Lastly, the Olympics are a year away and today seems to be the right time for laying the foundation for 2028 Los Angeles Olympics. With the infrastructure getting ready in time and the talent pool in place, we will also be ready to hit the ground. I, from the bottom of my heart, would like to extend my sincere thanks to Chief Minister Sir for his vision and blessings on this project. Shri Kumar Mangalam ji for choosing to support shooting sport and his team for their unflinching support towards making this dream possible today. To Honorable Sports Minister Sir and his super proactive team in Vishal Sir and Vinil Sir for believing in us and guiding us on every step of the way. To Shri K.N. Singh Deo ji and his team towards working hand in hand for the promotion and development of the sport in the state. Last but not the least, I would like to invite you all to come and feel the buzz once the operations start. If you love sports, Odisha is the place to be. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you, Shri Naran. Now I would request Shri Kalike Singh Deo, Senior Vice President, National Rifle Association of India, to address me.
Good evening, everyone. Honorable Chief Minister, it's indeed a good day today when a world-class facility is going to be set up in Odisha. Shooting today is the most successful sport in India in many ways. We have been ranked number 1 amongst all the countries in the world, and we have beaten China and the US, having secured more than double the amount of gold medals that they have, and we expect this to continue. It's also the fastest growing sport in many ways. The Nationals have had more than 10,000 participants in the last few years, and we expect this base to grow. Odisha, in its turn, started with 3 participants and now have reached over 50 participants. And I'm sure with setting up of this facility and Gagan's involvement, this figure will dramatically increase in the next few years. One of the interesting phenomena of shooting in India is that the Indian team is considerably younger than most other sports teams in the country today. Almost 40% of the children in the Olympic team are under the age of 18, and most of them are under the age of 21. This speaks volumes about the junior program led by the NRAI, and I'm sure Gagan and the state government would concentrate on the youngsters to ensure that Odisha also has a very young team which can compete with the national team. The NRAI has held almost 9 international events in the last few years, along with 3 World Cups and 1 Olympic qualifier. This speaks volumes about the role of Indian shooting in the global order. In the recent visit to the ISSF meeting in Germany, I had a chance to view for myself the kind of respect and clout that the Indian shooting holds, and this is purely because of the performance of the shooters for which we as a federation stand to represent. Incidentally, the Indian shooting team has some of the largest quotas amongst all the other disciplines of sport in the upcoming Olympic Games in 2021. But none of this would have been possible without the help of the state federations. A national federation is as good as its state federations are, and to that effect, the Odisha Rifle Association has, after it started in 2010, done a reasonable job of increasing the amount of participants as well as competitors in the national level. It's conducted more than 15 training camps and has held a number of regional championships within the state. It also runs a quarterly Lakshya Odisha program for which children are invited to participate. And I'm glad to see that both Gagan and his team, as well as the Odisha Rifle Association, have for the last few years been working jointly to promote the sport of shooting in Odisha. Certainly, this particular center of excellence would be one of a kind in the state of Odisha and in Eastern India. And we hope that this center will certainly attract a lot more shooters to the state team as well as the national level. Having said that, I would also like to make one request of the Honorable Chief Minister. The State Federation has requested for some land to set up its own shooting range because at the moment they're dependent on various police or government shooting ranges which are sometimes not being made available. So if the government could allot that land to them, we already have a commitment of more than 2 or 3 crores waiting in the wings to set up the shooting ranges, and I personally commit to giving over 50 lakh rupees to construct that new shooting range. I'd be grateful if the government would consider that request. I'd like to thank Mr. Birla and the state government for facilitating such a unique venture, which I'm sure will go a long way to promote the sport of shooting and the qualities of excellence in the sport of shooting in Odisha. And I'm grateful to the Honorable Chief Minister, whose vision for sports has made Odisha not only a household name within the country in India, but also globally. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Now I would request Sri Kumar Mangalam Birla, Chairman Aditya Birla Group, to address, please.
Honorable Chief Minister Shri Naveen Patnaik, Honorable Minister Sports and Youth Services, friends, warm greetings to everyone. It is truly a pleasure to connect virtually for the inauguration of the Odisha Aditya Birla Gagan Narang Shooting High Performance Center in Bhubaneswar. Indeed, a very significant milestone for the sports shooting ecosystem, not just in Odisha, but also in all of India. At the outset, I would like to thank you, sir, for giving us this opportunity. Under his visionary leadership, Odisha is morphing to become the sports capital of India. The state of Odisha made a very emphatic statement with the tremendous success of the 2018 Men's Hockey World Cup, as we know. Such has been the rapid impact created by the state and our much-loved Chief Minister that even the 2023 edition of the World Cup is coming home to Odisha. This is truly unprecedented, and it is a ringing endorsement. It is a ringing endorsement of the sports infrastructure built in the state under your leadership, sir. My compliments also to Shri Tushar Kanti Behera, Honorable Minister, Sports and Youth Services, for enabling Odisha to stand out as one of the best, if not the best state in India for the promotion of sports. Odisha, as we know, has fostered many of India's sporting talents: Dilip Tirke, Duti Chand, Ravi Kumar, Padmini Raut, to name just a few. This center will no doubt add many more names to that list. I am sure the Odisha Aditya Birla Gagan Narang Shooting High Performance Center will provide a pathway to thousands of aspiring sportspersons and become a platform where the best of local talent can rise to shine on the international stage. It is a privilege for our group to be associated with this project, sir, and work closely with one of India's greatest sporting icons, Gagan Narang. Sports is a field where every participant imbibes values that are most critical and important in life, namely grit, discipline, hard work, teamwork, goal orientation, responsibility. We believe that this center will do more than just mold better sports people. It will help to shape better citizens. We have a deep engagement with Odisha as a group, cutting across industry segments: Hindalco in Hirakud, Aditya Aluminium in Lapanga, Utkal Alumina in Doraguda, Ultratech Cement in Jharsuguda, Grasim Industries in Ganjam, SL Mining in Keonjhar, and the Aditya Birla Capital in Bhubaneswar. The sheer breadth of our economic activity in your state, sir, is a reflection of our implicit faith in you, Naveen Babu, and in the people of Odisha. In all of our locations and through our CSR engagements, we are an integral part of the communities, especially of rural Odisha. From enabling a centralized midday meal kitchen in Keonjhar to providing solar lamps to school children so that they have light to study. From constructing community toilets to setting up medical camps that make healthcare accessible to communities. Our ties to the Odisha community, sir, are very strong. We also, as you know, run the Aditya Birla Public School and the recently Gandhi Peace Center that was inaugurated by you, which is a digital interactive museum to promote Gandhian values. This shooting center is one more example of how deeply we believe in the state of Odisha and in your dynamic leadership. It is indeed a welcome addition to our fold. After all, sir, as you have made us all realize, sports cannot only energize and empower, but also unite and delight. Thank you, sir, for this opportunity.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. ମୁଁ ଏବେ ଅନୁରୋଧ କରିବି ମାନ୍ୟବର ମନ୍ତ୍ରୀ ସ୍ପୋର୍ଟସ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ୟୁଥ୍ ସର୍ଭିସେସ୍ ଟୁ ଆଡ୍ରେସ୍ ପ୍ଲିଜ୍।
मान्यवर मुख्यमंत्री श्री नवीन पटनायक महोदय, आस्का सांसद श्रीमती प्रमीला बिशोई महोदया, ब्रह्मपुर सांसद श्री चंद्रशेखर साहू महोदय, मान्यवर पूर्वतन सांसद तथा नेशनल राइफल एसोसिएशन ऑफ इंडिया रो सीनियर वाइस प्रेसिडेंट श्री कलिकेश नारायण सिंह देव, श्री कुमार मंगलम बिल्ला चेयरमैन आदित्य बिल्ला ग्रुप, उत्कल आलुमिनार अध्यक्ष श्री एसके मिश्र महोदय, विभागीय शासन सचिव और निर्देशक, उपस्थित सज्जन मंडली, सांबादिक बंधुगण एवं लाइव जोगे यही कार्यक्रम देखुवा समस्त दर्शकों को आज शुभ संध्यारे मो हार्दिक अभिनंदन एवं शुभेच्छा जनाऊँगी। आम प्रिय मुख्यमंत्री श्री नवीन पट्टनायक दूरदृष्टि संपन्न नेतृत्व जोगु आम ओडिशा रे एक शक्तिशाली क्रीड़ा इकोसिस्टम रो परिकल्पना करि परिछु। याकु अधिक दृढ़ सहित भित्तिभूमिर विकास पई सर्वदा प्रयास करि चलिछु। राज्य सरकार यही प्रचेष्टा क्रीड़ा सहित जड़ित समस्त को उपकृत करने सहित ओडिशा को एक क्रीड़ा हब रे परिणत करिवार सहायक हेबो। प्रकृत पक्षे कहवाकू गले यही उद्यम द्वारा क्रीड़ाविद को प्रोत्साहन मिलवा सहित ग्रामांचल क्रीड़ा प्रतिभा को खोजी बाहर करने एवं उन्नत तालीम जरिए शीर्ष स्तर में पहुँचाइबारे पथ परिष्कार करिवो। आमे क्रीड़ा क्षेत्र में व्यवधान को दूर करने को चाहूँ। उन्नत भित्तिभूमि और प्रशिक्षण द्वारा यह सहज हो पारिबो। वर्तमान ओडिशा क्रीड़ा सह विभिन्न क्षेत्र में उल्लेखनीय सफलता हासिल करिछि। निकट में अनेक गुड़िए मेगा इवेंटर सफल आयोजन पर विभिन्न महलरू ओडिशा को मिलता अजस्र प्रशंसा यार एक बड़ उदाहरण। तेबे वर्तमान महामारी संकट अनेक क्रीड़ा कार्यसूची को विलंबित करिछि। तेबे यही प्रतिकूल परिस्थिति आमे पछकु न हटी भित्तिभूमिर सुदृढ़ीकरण और पुनर्निर्माण कार्य को त्वरित वेग आगे नेबा उपरे आमे अधिक गुरुत्व देउछु। आज एक गर्वर मुहूर्त। आमे आज तीनोटी प्रमुख क्रीड़ा प्रकल्प को क्रीड़ाविद लगी उत्सर्ग करिछु। सेथिमध्यरु हिंजिलकट इंडोर स्टेडियम, छत्रपुर बैडमिंटन कोर्ट एवं भुवनेश्वर कलिंग स्टेडियम स्थित शूटिंग एचबीसी अन्यतम। एसहित हॉकी को अधिक प्रोत्साहित लक्ष्य में छत्रपुर ठारे सिंथेटिक टर्फ निर्माण करने को जाऊँ। आज एक स्मरणीय दिन। सामूहिक भाव आमे आमर क्रीड़ाविद उन्नति यही रोड मैप प्रस्तुत करिछु। आम राज्य में क्रीड़ा प्रतिभार एक समृद्ध उत्स अच्छी। राज्य सरकार पक्षर नि पदक्षेप आगामी दिन में युव क्रीड़ाविद वृत्तिगत क्रीड़ा ग्रहण करने को उत्साहित करिवो। एसहित क्रीड़ा आमर प्रतिबद्धता अविरत भाव आगे चलिबो। आम प्रिय मुख्यमंत्री निर्देश में आम एक अनन्य प्रशिक्षण केन्द्र हाई परफॉर्मेंस सेंटर ओडिशा आदित्य बिरला गगन नारंग शूटिंग हाई परफॉर्मेंस सेंटर प्रतिष्ठा करिछु। निकट में ओलंपिक क्रीडार शूटिंग वर्ग में भारत बहुत सफलता हासिल करिछि। यह अनेक को खेलवाई प्रेरणा जोगाई। आज गगन नारंग और तांको फाउंडेशन एवं आदित्य बिरला ग्रुप सहयोग में आम पर्याप्त सुविधा सरंजाम एवं पारदर्शिता सहित एक संरचना फॉर्मेट प्रस्तुत करिछु। यह द्वारा आम एचपीसी स्काउट एथलेट मानक एक सुजोग सृष्टि करिछु। मु एही अवसर में ग्लोरी फॉर गन आदित्य बिरला ग्रुप सरकारी एजेंसी विभागीय अधिकारी जो मैंने समयानुवर्ती हो प्रकल्प गुड़ी को कार्यकारी करिसेंती समस्त को धन्यवाद जनाऊँगी। जय हिंद, वंदे उत्कल जय।
धन्यवाद सर। Now I would request the Honorable CM to inaugurate the shooting range in Kalinga Stadium through video conference. Thank you. Now I would request the Honorable CM to address us.
Honorable Minister Shri Tushar Kanti Behera, Chairman Aditya Birla Group, Shri Kumaramangalam Birla, Honorable MPs, Honorable MLAs, ex-MP Shri Kalikesh Singh Deo, Olympian Shri Gagan Narang, Arjun Awardee, Duty Chand, ladies and gentlemen, Hinjlikat or Chhatrapur Road, Priya Bayo Bonimani. I am glad that we are launching 3 top-class sports facilities in the state in a single day today. This demonstrates our resolve to make Odisha a leading state in sports. After hosting the Hockey World Cup in 2018 and many national and international events in Odisha, we have taken up a multitude of sports infrastructure projects in our state. We will be launching more such grassroots development programs across all the districts. As a part of the 5T initiative, our focus is on complete transformation of the sports sector in the state. With quality coaching and infrastructure, I am sure a new generation of world-class sports persons from the state will emerge in the coming decades. As you know, we continue to support sports persons in their endeavors to achieve excellence. It requires a lot of dedication and hard work, and also support systems. I would like to congratulate athlete Duty Chand for the Arjuna Award. In recognition, the state government decides to give an out-of-turn promotion in her job in OMC. Ganjam has a vibrant sports culture and has produced many sports persons. To further promote sport activities in the district, Hinjlikatu Indoor Stadium and Chhatarpur Indoor Hall have been created. Built to international standards, Hinjlikatu Indoor Stadium is one of the best indoor facilities we have in the state. Hinjlikatu Rayuba PD Mananka पाए ए इंडोर स्टेडियम बहुत यूजफुल है वो। और मु घोषणा करी थी छतरपुर तारे हॉकी ट्रेनिंग पाए सिंथेटिक टर्फ कराजीब। India has been a major force in shooting at the global level. I hope that with the launching of the 10-meter and 50-meter shooting ranges in Kalinga Stadium, Odisha will certainly produce a large number of shooting champions for the country. Partnership of industry and leading sports persons is indeed a dynamic mechanism for flourishing sports. I am happy that the partnership with Aditya Birla Group and Olympian Gagan Narang has been further strengthened with the launching of this facility. I thank Sri Kumaramanglam Birla and Olympian Gagan Narang for their commitment to promote young talent in Odisha. In the last few months, the training of the sports persons would have been severely impacted by the restrictions due to COVID pandemic. I hope the momentum of sports development will continue with renewed vigor once the corona situation improves and the state will continue to excel in the field of sports. Thank you. Bande Utkal Jana.
Thank you, sir. Now I will request the Director of Sports to propose a vote of thanks.
Odisha has made a name for itself in the field of sports thanks to the vision, inspiration and direction of Honorable Chief Minister. We are profoundly grateful, sir, for your kind presence and inauguration of all the sports facilities today. With your blessings in the coming year, a lot more infrastructure projects will be launched and quality coaching programs will be initiated across the state. We are thankful to Mr. Birla for joining the ceremony. The continuous support of Aditya Birla Group and its senior officials has strengthened the partnership. We understand that Mr. Birla himself is an aged shooter and we hope under his guidance, shooting will have a strong support from the Aditya Birla Group. Special thanks to Gagan Narang for creating such a wonderful shooting range here. Many youngsters are really excited to get trained under him and they are present here for the ceremony today. We are thankful to Honorable Minister for his constant guidance and support for all the projects. We would like to thank the Honorable MPs and MLAs for joining the ceremony and for always supporting the sport activities in the district. We are thankful to Sri Kalikesh Singh Dev, Senior Vice President NRAA, for making it to the ceremony. We hope that under the dynamic leadership of Mr. Dev and the state and central associations, cooperation and support, shooting will emerge as a major sport in the state. I would like to extend my sincere thanks to Chief Secretary and Development Commissioner who have always supported the sports projects. Thanks to Dudi Chand for joining the event and congratulations once again for the Arjuna Award and promotion. We are thankful to Secretaries, Sports and Youth Services for his able and energetic leadership in the department. Thanks to all the dignitaries and the organizing members present here and in Ganjam for making this ceremony possible. Special thanks to all the media and viewers who are watching this program live. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. The program is over.